let's do another airport exploration. I am at Hamad International Airport here in Doha. So it's believed to be one of the most beautiful airports. So let me show you how this place looks like. It has a metro inside. Look at that.
Yeah, you can use the train for free.
Yeah. By the way, Kenyans mumeja huku kwa hii airport. Mulipata aje kazi? Ebu tell us in the comment section how you got jobs here. Every 2 steps I make, I meet a Kenyan. Nasikia tu sasa. Oh, Anyway, share with us how you got jobs here so that other people can benefit as well. So yeah, let's continue exploring this airport. Where I'm going is like 10 minutes away, so it means this place is so huge. So huge. Wacha tusonge tuone. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh, that looks so nice. Guys, I'm so happy. It's so nice. Everything looks so beautiful around here. See? Oh my God. This is Qatar. This is Qatar. Zimetana kukua green. Angalieni nyuma yangu. It is green now. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Airport. Let's tukaangalie. Let's go down and see. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Hata kuna birds. Ooh, la. and you can chill here and wait for your flight. Just how amazing, just how amazing that you can have somewhere like this to chill at the airport as you wait for your flight. I cannot believe it. Like, this is just so beautiful. You have no idea what I'm saying right now.
Sasa na ndege hii, kimbieni.
Guys, that's it for the airport tour. I will come back one day. I will come back maybe soon. Maybe one day I'll come back here. It is very beautiful. I did not complete the whole place, but wow, it's so. Let me show you the last thing. Oneni hapa.